Namaste. Now I'm showing the 4 types of pranayam I do every day. Bhastrika, Kapalvati, Anulom Bilom and Bhramari. Before doing any pranayam, I consider 3 things. First, no food. I do the pranayam only after 3 hours of taking food or 20 minutes after taking any drinks. And I go to toilet before and after the pranayam. And also I consider the asana, the sitting arrangement and the body posture. So you do the pranayam either in sitting or sleeping, never in standing position. So first the Bhastrika. So when I do the Bhastrika, I do this, open my palm and inhale, and when I exhale, I close my fist and bring my arms down. I do 20 strokes. And the second one is Kapalvati. Generally, I prefer doing this. Pressing your feet relaxes your feet after sitting long hours in chair. Or if you wanna reduce belly fat, you can also do this. Make a fist and exhale all the air. Put your palm over this and then exhale. I do it for 5 minutes. And the next one is Anulom Bilom. So I do this, my 3 fingers blocking left nostril and this blocking right nostril. I start from the left one. I exhale from the right one and now inhale from the right one. I exhale from the left one, now I inhale from the left one. Next one is Bhramari. So this is my fingers position, and I block my ears with this part here, the thumb, and inhale from nose. But the important thing is I roll back my tongue and touch the soft part here in the mouth and close my lips. I do as loud as possible so that I get better vibration, and this Bhramari is very important for increasing nitric oxide. If you want to know more about nitric oxide, you can find tons of resources in Google. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.